Honorable Speaker, one of the most tragic incidents during the year was the devastating fire at Gul Plaza, Karachi on 17th of January 2026. This claimed 72 precious lives and affected approximately 1,208 commercial units and businesses. Recognizing both the human tragedy and the economic devastation suffered by hundreds of families and traders, the government approved one of the largest relief and rehabilitation packages ever extended for a commercial disaster in Sindh. A comprehensive package of rupees 8.45 billion was announced, comprising compensation for bereaved families, direct financial assistance to affected shopkeepers, and compensation for inventory and business losses. Under this package, compensation of rupees 10 million per deceased victim was approved. In addition, 1,208 affected shopkeepers received direct assistance of 500,000 each, and approximately 5.77 billion was released for inventory and business losses. I am grateful to the Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry who worked with us very closely, and all the payments were made on the recommendation of Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industry, and I thank them for their help.